After an hour and a half of preparation time, the MasterChef contestants are awaiting their first food orders from some of Ireland's most experienced palates.
I would be as critical of this as I would be of any meal that I'd go out for a fine dining experience somewhere, so I expect it to be good.
I'm hoping they can do the simple things well. Ultimately, it's going to come down to taste. You know, that's really what this is about. The food has to taste really good.
The biggest challenge in any service can often be nerves. If somebody is in there and their hands are shaking, they need to overcome that, because if they don't, they won't be the person who'll win this competition.
This is a cooking competition, so I think the standard has got to be good. As much advice as we can give them is just to keep it simple, let the ingredients speak for itself, and don't overcomplicate it.
Do you feel you're ready to order?
Have the scallop, please.
I'd like to take the langoustine to start, please.
Lovely.
I'm going to commit to the scallop, please. Yeah, lovely.
Okay, guys, first table. 1 salmon, 1 langoustine, 1 scallop. Everybody understand? Yes?
Yes, chef.
Chef.
Start, I'll have the scallop tartare, please.
Lovely.
The langoustine.
Check on 2 scallops, 2 langoustine. We need to get a move on because we're going to go 3 minutes behind the first check.
Yes,
Okay?
chef.
I'm going to go for the langoustine.
The langoustine.
I'm going to do the langoustine.
I'm going to have the langoustine. Sounds really nice.
So far, Mary's langoustine pappardelle is proving to be the most popular starter.
Check on 3 langoustine, 1 scallop.
And she now has a total of 7 to make.
I think I do thrive on being challenged. As the adrenaline kicks in, you just realise actually it's sink or swim and survival kind of instinct. Hopefully I'll rise to the challenge. Spoon.
I want to see on the pass in 1 minute. 1 salmon, 1 langoustine, 1 scallop. Come on, Mary.
I just needed something to get the pasta out of it.
Step on it. Let me see a langoustine as quickly as possible.
Richard has 3 Japanese salmon dishes to prepare, while Claire Anne has a total of 4 scallop tartares on order. And so far, there have been no orders for Pierce's watercress soup.
Let's go. Let's see a scallop. Yeah, let's go. How long on a langoustine?
30 seconds.
Come on, let's go. Service, please.
With 1 table served, there are still 3 tables awaiting their first course.
2 scallops, 2 langoustine, minute and a half, yes?
Yes, chef.
Check on 2 soup.
Yes, chef.
With 2 orders in, Pierce can now start finalising his watercress soup. But with Mary now running behind, will she delay everyone's order?
How many langoustine are meant to have on now?
You got 30 seconds on this.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yes, I want to go on a minute and a half behind on 2 salmon, Richard.
Yes, chef.
Okay, let me see these 2 scallops, please, Claire Anne. Mary, have you got a grill there? These are not warm enough, Mary. Come on.
With Mary struggling and her dishes not hot enough, Richard is called in to help her out.
Pardon? Grill. Claire Anne's grill. Quickly. Straight, Richard. Careful, 1 at a time, Richard. Can we have it hot this time, please?
Yeah, yes, chef.
That's it. Hot, Richard. Hot. Richard.
So.
Yes?
Yes, chef.
Richard, I want to see that salmon, yeah? 2 salmon, yes?
Yes, chef.
Service, please.
With the orders backing up, Mary must get her last batch of langoustine out.
Are those langoustines hot, are they?
Yes, chef.
Come on, Mary. 3 langoustine, Mary. Don't slow down.
Yeah.
Let's go. 3 langoustine. Yes, you're ready, Clara?
Yes, chef.
Nice.
Thank you.
That's wonderful. Come on, where's this 3 longestine?
It's coming, chef. Sorry,
Yeah, it's
chef.
too long, Mary. It really is too long.
Yeah, chef. How many orders left on the...
No, that's it, Mary. 3 longestine. You're off the hook. What was that? Was that a curse word?
No.
Make sure the eggs are hot, Pierce. Put your finger on them. All right, I want those 2 soup now. Let's go, Pierce.
One soup, chef. We're on the way.
Yeah. Good job, Pierce. 3 longestine, yes. Am I cleaning the plates, Mary, am I?
Sorry.
Can I get some more truffle, Mary? Yes, it looks beautiful. Lots of moisture. Perfect. Yeah, we're in a recession, Mary. We're in a recession. Service, please.
Am I done now, chef?
You're done, yeah? I'm done.
Sorry. Disaster.
Good.
Well done, honey. That was
Sorry, guys.
so hard.
Mary has made 7 plates of her langoustine pappardelle with wild mushrooms, truffle shavings and a quail's egg.
I'm just generally quite messy, and that was proved to be a disaster today. And I just hope I pulled it back enough. I think it'll be. I'll be lucky if I survive. I don't know.
Presentation-wise, it looks fantastic. Lovely pasta, really silky. Beautiful, really beautiful prawn. There's a lot of flavour going on, but it's really rich. It's really good dish.
That was absolutely lovely. There was lovely balance between the mushrooms, beautifully cooked and lovely and juicy, just sort of melted. It was absolutely delicious.
Well executed, very well cooked, perfect pasta. If I was in a really good restaurant, I would have been, and even myself, I would have been proud to serve that dish, you know. Really good. Really impressed, I have to say.
Richard made 3 plates of his Japanese-style salmon with a daikon salad, wasabi mayonnaise, soya jelly and umboshi foam.
No, I wasn't happy with everything. I don't think. It's just hard to know because there was a lot going on cooking the second batch of salmon. So I don't know, if it was undercooked or overcooked or cooked.
The salmon came out beautifully presented, but it was actually very disappointing. I have to say the salmon was overcooked. The best thing on the plate was that jelly that he did. Best thing on the plate.
Very interesting, a few mistakes, but overall, I liked very much the soya jelly, which was quite amazing. I never tasted it before. And the wasabi sauce and the salmon was perfectly cooked, I have to say.
Claire Anne served up 4 bowls of her scallop tartare with green gazpacho and tomato sorbet.
I think that my dish was unusual and brave in the sense that it was relying purely on the flavours. It was not showing the most amount of technique.
I think it looks really lovely. The gazpacho is lovely. It's quite, it's very light, very zingy. There's loads of lemon, lots of garlic in there. A little bit of chilli in there would be a good idea. Needs a little bit more seasoning, but it's a very nice, lively dish, and it's quite creative.
Tartar scallops, lovely, fresh. I was a little bit disappointed by the gazpacho. I found the gazpacho very strong, overpowering the flavour of the scallops, so I didn't have any flavour really of the scallops.
There was faults to it, but it was a nice way to start a meal. It was clean and it was quite elegant, and it was fresh, and I was ready for the main course then, so I enjoyed the scallop.
And Pierce made 2 bowls of his watercress soup with rocket, spinach and a poached duck egg.
I was happy with what I got out. The soup went out hot. I think I had it well seasoned, although, everybody's palates are different, so hopefully the people that ordered it agreed that it was nicely seasoned and that there was good flavour in it.
Eggs appears to be cooked well. It's nice and warm. It's, for me, a little salty. I don't think it's been terribly well executed. I think there was more effort gone into how it looks presentation-wise than actually how it tastes.